Hi, this is Majid from Lyra Zone Sindhan Bharat. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your location, new location and project in SQL Account Enterprise Edition. To make new location, go to stock, maintain location. Here you have multi locations. These are your all current locations. If you want to make new location, you just click new, or you want to see the pattern, which pattern you have been using or you forgot, just select any location, click on detail. This is the pattern you have been using to make a location. So you browse, you have total 5 locations. Now we are making new one, so the code will be follow the same. You can keep your own desired code or your own pattern, and then the location 6, browse. Now our new location is ready. When we make a new location, we have to make a new project as well to take the authentic reports in SQL Account Enterprise Edition. To do so, we'll go to the tools and then maintain project. The same procedure here, we have to see what pattern we have been following. Here new P6 project 6. The project starting value and cost is using if it is means defined some determined time or period of your project, and you have been using multi shops, so here no need to give any value of project and cost. Sorry, wrongly I put the wrong spelling. Save, browse, that's it. Thank you so much guys. This is the way how to make the location and project in your SQL Account Enterprise. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.